Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can insert a SIM card at the Huawei Mate 20 Lite. So first of all, we need next to the phone the pin, and the pin is part of the box. Otherwise, you could use also the edge of a paper clip. Okay, and with the edge of the paper clip or the pin, you enter the small hole in here on the side of the phone. Press a bit and the SIM tray will come out. So, and on the first position, you could enter always the SIM card like this. So missing corner and missing corner, and the contacts are below. And for the second position, you have to decide between a second SIM card. You have to put it like this. So missing corner, and the contacts are also below. Or otherwise, you could also decide instead of the second SIM for a microSD card. Then it has to look like this. The contacts are also below. And the construction you put back into the phone with two SIM cards or with one SIM card or with a microSD card like this. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope I could help you with it. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. Would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And yeah, I've created some other videos if you're interested in, or maybe just subscribe me. It would be a pleasure to see you again. And maybe until next time. Ciao.